Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a delicious falafel. I will be using canned chickpeas. I rinsed it out and I took a paper towel and I dried off our peas. Okay, I'm not using the whole can, I'm using half of the can. To my food processor, as you can see, I already have my chickpeas in here. Now I'm going to add a garlic clove. I'm going to add a handful of parsley. I'm going to add some black pepper in here. I'm going to add some cumin. And I'm not measuring it, so I'm using, I would say about, okay, just about, I would say half a teaspoon. I'm going to use some coriander. Like that. I'm going to add just a little bit of cumin, turmeric. Not much at all, because you don't want the flavor to overpower. I'm going to use some baking powder. Should do it. I'm going to also add some cayenne pepper and just a little bit of cayenne. I want it to have just a little bit of heat, not too much heat. We're going to add also some salt. I'm not going to add much salt. I'm just going to add a pinch of salt because remember, the chickpeas that are in the can, they already have sodium in it. So I'm just going to add a pinch of salt. Okay. And also we're going to add some panko breadcrumb. So I'm using some plain panko breadcrumb. That should be good. And now I'm going to close this and then we're going to blend this. All right, just want to mix it up. I don't know if I believe it cut off, but I just add just a little bit of flour, all-purpose flour, and then I mixed it up. Okay. And if you do not like, if you like cilantro, you can add cilantro in here as well, but I'm not a fan of cilantro, so just add the parsley. So now you want to take it, put some in your hand like this, and then you form your ball. I want the balls to be not too big, but not too small. Do you see this? There's no liquid in here. See how beautiful our ball is? So I'm going to go ahead and continue making our balls, and then I'll come back. Now I'm going to go ahead and deep fry this until golden brown. All right. Oh, wow, guys. They're absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and take them out, and we're going to put our sandwich together. All right, guys. Here is our fabulous falafel. It is absolutely tasty. Off camera, I did add some habanero peppers where I chopped them into small pieces and add them to my ball. Guys, it has a nice amount of heat. It is extremely tasty. I'm going to make my sandwich using the things that you see here. And I also have a avocado ranch. I'm going to use that as my dressing. Until next time, like, comment. Do not forget to subscribe. It's absolutely delicious, y'all. My grandbaby can't wait to have some.